I just missed my hand, bro. Tell me how did I miss my hand in a clap, bro? I gotta retry that. Oh, ah! Ah, that shit hurt. What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying, bro? So, we got new lights. You know what I'm saying? We got new lights, bro. So, man, I know. It's my shot. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I just got off of work. I don't know what to eat, though, right? And so I started thinking, bro, like, I low-key want some pasta, bro. I low-key want some pasta, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm a pasta nigga. Like, I must have been like an Italian in my past life, bro. I decided to make it a short and sweet video. One reason alone. Because, bro, I know a lot of pasta recipes. Like, I love pasta, bro. So it's like, I figure, like, I don't want the channel to be like a lot of pasta videos, you know what I'm saying? Because you can only really cook pasta so many ways. Obviously, you can have different types of pasta. Overall, only thing that's really different is the actual noodles and the sauce, right? So I didn't want to just keep on making a bunch of pasta videos. And so I just decided, bro, let's just make this pasta video, but make it a short and sweet, you know what I mean? Because I also do want to make a certain type of pasta that has to be on an actual video. But I can't tell you that yet. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? So I decided just to make this whole video into a short and sweet, bro. I just want to let y'all know too, bro. I apologize, because this dish is missing 2 ingredients. Today, bro, before I get to that, today we're making what you saw in the title and also that fire thumbnail. Sorry, I'm just imagining me eating this food, bro, and I just know it's gonna be busting, bro. Like, I just know that joint's gonna be busting, bro. Today, we're just making some surf and turf pasta. All my newbies out there, surf and turf is usually gonna be some type of seafood and then some type of beef. Yeah, so like I said, how we're missing one ingredient, bro. Okay, we're missing some crab. All right, hear me out, y'all. Bro, it's been a tough couple months, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, my G. I'm not gonna lie to you, my G. Bro, right now, we're in some broke nigga hours, bro. Like, I swear to God, I'm broke. It's Mom Dukes, I gotta pick up. Hello. Alright, I'm back. I low-key forgot what I said. I think I was on broke nigga hours. Yes. I kinda had to be a little cheap about this pasta meal, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, it's missing crab. Okay. So, and you probably asked me,
So why you gonna get artificial crab, dog?
well, bro, it makes me sick, okay? I can eat it. It is fire. I'm not gonna lie. Artificial crab is fire, bro. It's fire. But it makes me sick. And did you not hear me say I'm broke, bro? I'm broke, bro. Please, bro. Please, I need some money, nigga. I'm tired of being broke, bro. Make my YouTube channel pop, bro. Please. I'm begging you, please, bro. Look at my pimple. Don't look at my pimple. So, unfortunately, we're not gonna have some crab. But you can add crab to this dish, dog. You can add crab to it. And so, no matter what, it's still gonna be fire. And we're gonna be rocking what we have, bro. That gave me an idea for a new series. But besides that, bro, I already been talking. Y'all had enough. Let's get right to the video. Wait, I mean, that's how you know it's been a while if I did this. Because I was like, play my... Alright, man, I already talked y'all had enough, so let's go ahead and get straight to the video, you know what I'm saying? So, the first thing we're going to need is, bro, we're going to need some top sirloin steaks, right? And so besides that, we're going to need some fettuccine noodles, some butter, and also some shrimp. You can get the largest, but I got the mediums just because, you know. But besides that, bro, we're gonna need some beef stock, some mozzarella cheese, some heavy cream, and also some Parmesan cheese. But I'm not gonna lie. So the goal for this dish, cook everything in one pot, right? In one freaking pot. So at least we don't have to worry about, oh, my hair decided to come out. So we're gonna start with our shrimp, right? And so either you could get the raw ones or you get the already cooked ones, but regardless, bro, you're gonna need to take the tail and the skin off, right? So honestly, I didn't feel like waiting for that long for it to cook because, like I said, bro, I'm hungry, bro. So in saying that, you should probably guess which one I got. And so, yeah, so I basically got the already cooked ones, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna throw your seasoning in there and just like stir this baby up till they're fully cooked, right? And so once you get done with that, make sure you take the skin and the tail off. So in saying that, so once you get done cooking your shrimp, bro, only thing you gotta do, keep the shit that's at the bottom. Keep all that nice little stuff that's at the bottom of your pan, right? So now what we're gonna do is crank the temp up a little bit. If we kick up the temp, we're gonna wanna throw our steak in there, right? Now, low key is funny, bro. I was low key about to make a video on how to cook the most perfect steak, right? And so I did. So yeah, so like the first step is, man, you wanna get yourself a paper towel and then you're gonna be dampening off the excess blood, right? And so how we're gonna be cooking our steak is we basically just be butter braising it. So butter braising is basically just throw some butter and just constantly throwing it as your steak cook, right? So I was kind of aiming for a medium rare, so this is how it should be looking, right? And so once you get done butter braising it, take it out, let it rest, and then once we let it rest, we're gonna get some red wine vinegar, right? Either A, you could, like I said, bro, niggas. I knew I was missing another ingredient, bro. So get your favorite type of wine, right? As long as it's red. Pour it in the pan, right? Once you do that, for me, I don't have no wine, so I'm using red wine vinegar. So yeah, man, so this is how our pot looking, bro, after everything getting done cooking, right? So once you start looking like this, bro, that's when we're gonna start adding some beef broth and some heavy cream, right? And so once you add your heavy cream and your beef broth, you just wanna go ahead and throw your pasta in there, right? But before we even get to that, bro, I just wanna let y'all know, like, please do not cut your steak right away. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure you let it rest for a little bit because you're gonna let all that juices flow out, right? But yeah, bro, we got that thing to medium rare and this is how we're looking, bro. Like, you know that baby looking right, so let's go ahead and try it. So this is how we looking, boy. So this is how we looking, boy. Look at that baby, son. Oh my God, nigga. Let's try this thing. Son, oh my God, bro. This joint is busting, bro. Bro. A pasta. It's so freaking creamy, bro. And it's like so flavorful. Let's go ahead and try the steak with it. Bro. The steak is so like juicy and tender, bro. Like, and I got it perfectly too. You can't really tell because of the sauce, but it's on medium rare, bro. That's how I love my steak. You know what's funny? I used to eat everything like woolly beef, well done, until like I really started taking cooking seriously. But yeah, and you know what's funny? I don't even need the Parmesan cheese, bro. Like, it's already creamy enough. Oh, here's a shrimp. Let's go ahead and try this shrimp. And keep remember too, y'all, like, there's also supposed to be crab in here too, but you know, broke nigga hours, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. All right, bro, I'm gonna keep on eating. So, you already know what to do, man. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You check out the next video. So, I'll see y'all to the very next video, so. Bye.